Hello folks, well I've had a bit of a corker of a job. It's a rather immaculate, very low hours Rotel 240, apart from a couple of screw holes in the back, but it's very low hours. I don't think it's worked for decades. It's got a phase lock loop problem, which I've sorted out, and it wasn't straightforward. It wasn't just the LC717 7137 synthesizer which was zapped. There was more to it, and there's also some corrosion from a duff capacitor in the 455IF, so that's sorted as well. But it's very low hours, it quite clearly is. Let's see if I've not heard anybody on this yet. It's mega sensitive, it's 0.2 microvolts. It's one of those best of the bests. It's doing a full 4 watts, it's really good. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Yeah, roger, copy loud and clear.
Yep, off we go when you're ready.
Roger that.
I'll plug my extension squeaker in. Wherever it goes.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. And on this radio we've got a bit of a tone control switch.
Right, so we're heading up the road towards the end of it, just passing the first passing place, and we shall be passing what will be eventually the entrance to Doggy Daycare.
Roger on that. Yes, that wanted a bit of waggling because it's self-cleaning if you waggle them a bit. That's brought that back into life. Just the capacity gets switched on.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, we're not late.
Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you round. Loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On a Rotel RVC240 from 1981 using 501 chassis. One of those exceptional sensors, really good sensitivity, about 0.2 of a micro, drawing 1.2 amps, doing it for 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Roger, I'm on standard replacement line.
Roger that.
It's been suggested by a viewer that it would be a good idea that when we put original mics, that we do the mic not necessarily the space station at the end, but the 5 mile point there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. It'll show how, you know, the difference between readability.
Yeah, I think that's very valid there. And I'll see if the custom mic works. I'll just get it down this box.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now at Wilsford level crossing.
Roger on that.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Is that the Kelby turn, Mr. Chippie? I went to get the mic.
Yeah, I figured you'd done that. Yes, that was the Kelby turn.
Roger, Roger.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. One from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, loud and clear. So I'm on the my standard replacement mic. I say this is a Rotel 240 single 4 watt output. It's drawing 1.2 amps, and we'll go over to our 400 milliwatt setting on low power. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, and there we are back on full power. And I set the low power to 400 milliwatts. Now what I'm going to do is swap to the customer's mic. I have no idea whether it works or not.
Yep, roger that. Well, you were nice and clear on full power and quite clear on low as well, so there you go.
Tango 21, do you read me on the customer's mic?
Yep, roger, loud and clear. A little bit of difference in tone, but not much. It's nice and clear.
Roger on that. Well, I'll go to low power, and again, it's the readability test. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on to low power. There we are, 400 milliwatts. We'll pop it back onto full power. Now, there we are back on full power.
Yep, again, no problems on full power. Bit noisy on low power, but again, no problems.
Okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger, I'm back to my standard mic.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing.
Yep, 139.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, I'm absolutely fine. I work in street, thank you.
Yep, roger that, no problem. 10-10.
Okay. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yep, 139.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, that's absolutely fine. That worked a treat, thank you.
Yep, roger that, no problem.
10-10. Okay, that's lovely. It deserves to have some screws put in it now. Right, I'll go over to the base station and we'll just use the standard replacement mic. I don't now need to listen to the Rotel one.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 with our standard replacement mic into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to pop it on low power just as a home test. Well, there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on low power and then back. But these sets don't hum and neither does this mic. We've got 3 things I want to do. I've got a DNT B40 base station. I wouldn't mind either coming to conclusion of yay or nay. It's had multiple faults we've sorted out for a customer in Sheffield. Need to really get to the bottom of that. And